Yo, Leviosa gang, man, we back at it again, and guess what we doing today? That's what the fuck we doing today, you feel me? So tap in, comment, like, subscribe, and we finna get into it today. Yo, man, so while he having his fun, you feel me? Finna have a little sex with y'all, you dig? Well, he got a little 125 cc right now. I told him he needs something way bigger than that because this nigga is 6'3", 6'4", 6 something. He need 250, 200, 150 at least. It's a little 125. How might be a 150? That just might be a 150. Look, he done cranked the bike up. All the little kids coming out. Look at this nigga. Oh, man. He done jumped across the damn street. Hey, man. Why you almost hit Lil Terrio? Boy, hit Lil Terrio. Ooh, kill him. Ooh. But nah, man. You know, I'm glad to be back with y'all. Glad to be making content videos with y'all. My nigga D-Dub here now. He coming up in the YouTube world now too. So he finna be making content with me and on his own. So y'all go like, comment, subscribe on his page. And I'm gonna drop his information on the bottom. You feel me? Here this boy go right here. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying, man? Hey, it's your boy. That boy on the bike. D-boy. Hey, that bitch, you done got a hanger now. Yeah, I got that bitch stay on, man. You need a bigger one. No, I don't. You do. Tell him. I seen you, boy. The tire was loading a bitch. Look at me. Look how big he is on this little bitty ass bike. Look at me. Come on now. Look at me. Come on now, bruh. Ooh. Nigga big as fuck, bro. Man, y'all on this little bitty ass bike. He need a bigger bike. Cool. If y'all think he need a bigger bike, let me know right now. Comment down below. I see you. You hesitating. I see you commenting under your breath. Just comment down below if you need a bigger bike. Get this man in a bigger bike. And if I'm green, just like the video, man. Nah. Like it anyway. But he need a bigger bike. Fuck all that shit. No, I don't. Yeah, you do. Ass crack shit. You need some bigger shorts and a bigger bike. I'ma hop on that thing in a minute, man. I ain't on that thing right now. You feel me? Cause I'm making an intro. I'm talking to my people. You feel me? Let me hop out the car with y'all real quick. I'm in the car. Oh shit. Little bitty ass bike, man. Tell this nigga the bike too small. It's small. What that at, 150? You need a 150. They don't sell 150s, huh? Probably gotta go to a real bike shit. Man, we on this thing, man. I'm gonna tap back in y'all with y'all when we get on this GoPro, man. Cause we went, well, we already had the GoPro, but I went and got a damn chest strap for this bitch, so we finna get lit with it. You feel me? I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. Y'all gonna comment, like, subscribe, see a list if y'all ain't did this shit yet. And what the hell you said? You might hit the big road a little bit, you know what I'm saying? That man's crazy. Me and my boy, yes, sir. Y'all see what's going down. Yes, sir. Big GoPro sheet. Big GoPro sheet. Big GoPro sheet. Big GoPro sheet. Let me get that. Big GoPro sheet. Yes, big GoPro sheet. See what the fuck go down. Let's see. I ain't been on here in a minute. It's been a while. The wind kind of getting me. See that boy turn over got down. Damn. Oh. What the fuck was that? Oh, that's the fucking rubber thing to the. Can you even put that bit back on there? Why the fuck is that? Hell, that ain't supposed to come off like that, bruh. No, your shoe bigger than mine. That's what you been tearing that bitch up already. Oh shit.
Big foot ahead, boy. Yeah, man,
What the hell is it even for? What the fuck? Yeah, neutral. I gotta put this bitch in. So I click down for first.
Hold the thing.
Yeah, I know that, yeah. shit. Ah. Oh. Fuck. Ah. Ah. Oh shit. Oh damn. Let's go. Damn. Whew. Bitch, I fell. Oh my goodness, that hurt. Get me off this thing. Oh man, back there, bro, fucking pipe was in the ground, but it's sideways. I hit that bitch sideways and slid. Fuck. Oh, it hurt. Oh, bro, I fell.
You got them footage.
Yeah. Yep. Shit.
My boy tried. Damn, man.
Goddamn.
Tell them what happened, man. So, somewhere on there, I don't know, but it's on the GoPro. So, hopefully he sends me the footage.
Yo, I'm back with y'all, Leviosa gang. Y'all done seen me on the dirt bike, man. Got real nitty gritty, a little slice on, man. We're gonna have to get 2 dirt bikes in this thing and 2 GoPros. So that's coming real soon because we finna act a fool with this bitch. I ain't gonna lie to you. Big bike life on this house. So shit, hey, like I said, man, comment, like, subscribe, seal us. I'll come back to y'all with a little city presentation on them hoes. Probably either this week. Later in the week, I'm going to South Carolina. It's a little family time. I'm gonna vlog that, so y'all gonna see that. That's gonna be the next video, dig. But until then, holla at your boy.